Welcome, guys, back to another video.
Welcome.
Today we're with my friend Marcelo, right here.
Hello. And just saying, I'm his pretty much his duo. That's why it's the duo, because I'm his friend and I'm the one who's gonna be helping him with his YouTube channel. So
Yeah, and in the last like 3 videos I made by myself because my friend Marcel was like at another friend's.
I was at a sleepover.
Yeah, he was at a sleepover, so he couldn't really make videos with me because I tried calling him, but it was at night, so and I'd be awake because he stays up awake for a long time. Okay, so we're gonna need like an infinite money glitch. It's called the Haunted Mansion glitch. It's where like you have to put a teleport grenade and you're gonna have to like throw in a key. So we're gonna do that right now.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
But we're also gonna need a rocket, right?
I thought, yeah, but I thought you already had one in your book set. I'll probably.
No, I had a pogo stick because me and Owen, we did the infinite money glitch when you left.
Oh, did it give you like $8 billion?
Bro, he lost his book sack.
Bro.
And then he lost like 5 blue crystals.
What crystals?
5 blue.
Oh,
No,
well, he's kind of newbie, so come on, guys. So we're
bro, and he was getting so scared, and he didn't know what he was doing.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh crap!
Oh, what? Did you fall also?
Where are you? I'm scared.
I'm right behind you. Right behind
I'll
you.
go and take her.
Hey, we both messed up.
I hit the wall.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Oh, no.
There it is.
Hurry up, run. Just keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running.
And be aware of the woman. Wait for me, Tucker. 3,
Okay, you can go.
2.
I always let you go first. All right, now move.
Hey, hurry up!
Yes. Oh my God, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I dropped it and it fell to the bottom of the keyhole. And then I'll pick it up.
Okay, come on. Oh look, there's a couple blue crystals.
Yeah, we got a lot of them. Oh my God.
Oh, I almost just fell.
What about 2 blue crystals?
I got it! I got the last one!
I just took so much damage.
Same. And did you know if you hide behind the heart won't damage? Don't worry, I found. No, if you try to find like a little staircase, going down will bring you back to the top. Because I'm already at the top now. Yeah, it's like a little, it's like on the side. Yeah, try. Cause I don't know if it works or not. Don't want Tuckers. You can make it. I gave you the power of the Tuckers. Oh, I see your blood. I think it's my blood, but I think that's your blood. No, I'm about to have mostly all the crystals. Yeah. Oh, that's it. It's like a trick shot thingy. Oh, Moby's dead. You almost there, Marcel?
Yeah, pick those up. Those are the ones that are
Get the rest! I fell. Oh yeah, I'm about to die. It's so heavy, bro. Come on. The power of Tuckers. We have to do this. With my backpack, I like grabbed almost all.
Yellow, wait, I'm yellow.
I'm like half. Yeah. I'm yellow weight too. I made it. Did I? Bye, Tuckers. I'm waiting for you. Okay, guys. So, Marcel is I'm gonna wait for Marcel because Marcel kind of messed up. Yep, he messed up. I think teleport from here. Probably from here. Oh, you're gonna get one shot again.
I'm even more one shot now. You know what? Ray gun, bye. I hate you. Can they hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
What are you going to third? I only got blue crystals. I only got 4 blue crystals. That's the only
Alright,
things
3, 2, 1.
Holy!
Wait, there's still more. Wait, there's a little bit more left. There's like one more left. Okay, that's all. Well, you almost just killed me. I almost killed you. Wait, the ray gun. We need some ray gun too.
Holy, 4,000, baby. No,
I almost got 30. Wait. Oops. Actually, I think we should keep the ray gun for now.
Why?
Just in case we fall or we're at like 1 HP. Actually, no. I'll just sell it. Look how much money we get. Okay, guys. How much money we get? Bro. That's so
36.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Ding dong, eat it up, eat it while it makes. Bro, I can't even buy a flashlight or a book sack.
Yeah, that's true.
I think I could buy the baby book sack.
Yeah,
How much
yeah,
is the
that
baby
can't.
book sack?
Like 29.
No, I think it's like 26.
Yeah. Actually, no, I think it's like 30 something. Or 40 something.
30?
It's like 40 something. Actually, no, 28. Okay, let's just go.
I thought it was 26.
Why
Why Big Chungus camping?
You ain't camping this? Come on.
Go.
Come on, Tuckers, we can do this. And plus our
but now we need to make sure that we don't
video
hit the
can't be
wall.
that long, bro. You know? Okay, ready? 3, come right here. 3,
Alright, now I know
2,
now I'm gonna make it.
1, go! Where are you?
Wait for me.
Oh yeah, I see you. Hey, Tuckers. That's the big chunk of daddies. Wait for me, Tuckers.
Come on, Tuckers. Alright, can I go first this time?
We're going at the same time.
No, I have to go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hurry up!
Oh, Milo! Oh, Tuckers.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you. I'll get all the crystals. Okay. Good, Tuckers. Wait, someone in like. Oh no. Okay. I'm so glad they added a haunted mansion to the game. Yeah, the infinite money. Yeah. And actually just Toasty or I know. Right here. Come on, we have. gonna buy a ray gun. Wait, how much money you have? Wait, how much money you have? How much? Wait, how much money you have? 13,000? 26K. Yeah.
Actually, no, keep the ray gun. Keep it. No, I figured out a glitch when Just Toasty did it. When he used to do this, when he went to Haunted Mansion, his bookstack, remember when it gets too heavy? He would pick it up while he was out. Actually, no. Oh, wait. Brother.
What you got, Okay. Wait, where's Chucky at anymore?
You know, I need a car. Alright, just come on. Put it back.
No, I'm saving some just in case. I'm saving some.
Why?
To make some extra money. Let's see how much money we get. Probably like 6,000. Probably like 6,000.
5,000. Yes, let's go.
Okay, wait. Can we just please wait and save some? Okay, guys.
Why
So
should we wait and save some?
okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. Say goodbye, Marcel. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I'll see you next day. Bye.